how to create Pandadoc template. In this video, I will show you how to get started with Pandadoc. So Pandadoc is a tool that lets you create emails, invoices, add signatures, and more documents. So it's easy to use and has all the basic features you need. So to begin, just go to the Pandadoc website at pandadoc.com and click on the Start Free Trial button here. This will take you to a sign up page where you can create your own account. Okay, so to sign up, just enter your email address and password. If you have a personal email, you can choose one of their plans that include the personal email option. So they also have a free electronic signature plan, but it has some limitations compared to their business plans. So if you have a business email, you can sign up for the all-inclusive version, which gives you more features. Okay, so if you don't have a business email, you can still proceed with the free version. And now let's enter our basic information here. Alright, so I've just completed the sign up process. Okay, so if you're a part of a larger team using Pandadoc, we can all work together on this platform as a team. So once you're in, you'll see your basic dashboard. So here on the left side, there's a panel that includes different functionalities like documents, templates, forms, content libraries, catalogs, contacts, and reporting. Okay, so to begin, let's go to documents, and under that we will find different categories. So let's just choose content library here. This is where you can create and manage your basic content. So here you can upload your logos and any pre-existing templates you already like to use. Okay, now let me show you how you can use the basic features of Pandadoc. So here let's just go to the template section in the left panel, and there you'll find different templates to choose from. So let's just click on the template gallery on the left side to select a specific template that fits our needs. So it depends on the type of template you are looking for. So in our case, let's just go with an invoice template for our situation. Okay, so to make an invoice, let's just go to the invoices section and select the invoice template that you want. So just click on use template to begin. So here you can give the template a new name like something like this. Okay, so here just fill in the sender's name and the client name fields and enter your email address, first name, last name, then just click continue to move on designing your actual document. Okay, so when you see your document, you can edit each section using a different content blocks. So here in the middle, there is a preview that shows the Pandadoc branding, but this can only be removed in the premium versions. And below that, you'll find the sender's basic information. And on the right, there are content blocks where we can find different details. So, for example, you can enter your sender's information using variables. So let's say the sender's name is something like this, and also edit their addresses as well. You can enter these values in the respective fields. So here we can also add different variables to customize the document even more. We have the option to change the appearance of the text and move it around as we need it. Okay, so below that, you'll find the client's information, invoice number, payment terms, and the due date. So just by clicking on each section, we can customize the information. So for example, we can set the due date to anything we want. And the other is an add to library option that allows us to create a library item using a specific section. So this can be helpful if you want to reuse it in the future. And also we have the option to duplicate items and add comments and so on. So we can even assign variable properties to each item just by going to here. Okay, now with a new template, you'll come across a specific section where you can list the items. Of course, the items will be different for each situation. So we can add various sections based on our needs. So for example, we can have a section for services and another for products used. So below that, you can enter the specific products you want to include. Okay, so to continue, we need to enter the products you have into Pandadoc. Okay, so for example, let's say we have this product as one of our products and fill in the product name and set the quantity to something like 5. Okay, so if you don't have any services to include, you can remove the existing services template. So here just simply click on the arrow in the right panel and here is the delete row button. Just click on that. So this will leave you with an empty column. Okay, so if you don't want to add a product, just click on the plus icon in the same panel and add a product as needed. So Pandadoc is more than just an invoicing tool. It can help us create proposals, different types of agreements, presentations, handle HR recruiting, financial informations, legal informations, healthcare documents, and more. You might wonder why you need a Pandadoc for all this. Well, Pandadoc allows you to build detailed and efficient documents that can be approved and authenticated. So if you were to use a simple tool, you wouldn't be able to include all the necessary budgeting information, stamps, signatures from you and your recipient directly in the documents. So Panada gives you all these features in one place. Okay, the other is we can find the forms section here, the left side of the screen. In this section, we have the ability to create our own custom forms. So if we click on this blank form, we can start with a blank page and can actually design our own unique and personalized invoice, presentation, or any kind of summary that you want to create. It's completely up to us. So for instance, let's just say you want to make a simple summary for the year 2024 and pricing summary. So we can easily add a table and enter the cost of service in the table. The services can be listed in a specific area. So to do this, we can explore the options on the left side and use available variables. So here I can put my own custom variable and this variable represents my products. I can also add individual items as I go along using this variable. I can also include columns and rows below to organize the information. Okay, so that was all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Now you have a good starting point to use a Pandadoc. Thank you for watching.